I first joined the collaborative as a clinician and when I moved to Devon to help set up one of the new specialist community forensic teams. Since then, I've taken up a more formal leadership role within the Southwest Provider Collaborative from a commissioning perspective. One of the reasons I moved to the Southwest was that I was very aware how clinicians from the shop floor were very involved in designing the clinical model for how best to use the resource to serve the patients. And the key principles that are there about really having patients treated close to home in the least restrictive setting, better use of resource, innovation, and that by treating patients closer to home, we were reducing time in hospital. It makes me feel at home about the Southwest. I've had this experience recently coming back from a series of meetings in London as I left a lot of the sort of urban industrial landscape of London behind and moved to the sort of wider open spaces of the Southwest, which I think also lend itself to something about the people who maybe attract in terms of open-mindedness and openness to experience that does translate into how people approach their work. In my spare time, I really like to get out on my bike. The Southwest is a great place for cycling. Really good network of sort of road cycling, gravel riding, off-road. I stay near the Blackdown Hills, and very quickly from my house I can be out away from all sorts of traffic, and I can be spinning around the country lanes on a Sunday morning and I'll see more people on horseback than cars, which is lovely.